Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 11 February 2022. So today is our early morning session again, 10 minutes video. So let's capture what is going on in the market. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, so let's check out the quick introduction before we dive into the chart and the looking at the momentum stock. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the chart first. Let's take a quick look at KLCI. Oh, KLCI still goes up. Wow, very strong. Broke through 1567. Continue drop a bit. Continue go up. So looks like another 1-2 days maybe before it get to this resistance over here at around 1580. So 1580. There's one more resistance over here, possible around 1580. Okay, 1580. 1580, the top of this downtrend trend line. Okay, so still bullish. Okay, even though it hit here, it retraced a bit, pull back a bit, the market is still bullish. Okay, in a bullish market, right? Okay, correction wave definitely have. Okay, definitely have correction wave. Okay, like that. Okay, market doesn't go up in straight line. Okay, the correction wave. As long as RSI is above 50, we are still bullish with the market. Okay, so the market looks good for now. Let's check out the let's check out the BURSA. Okay, see what is going on. Today sentiment 45, gainers 340, losers 515, 415. Not so good. Sentiment not so good. Volume also not so big. 1.5 not bad. 1.5 in the morning. Up 3.57 points, 0.23%. 1573. So market is very strong. Okay, consumer rebound 0.41, industry still going up 0.35, construction today wake up a bit 0.44, technology drop. Okay, technology, remember yesterday I post already here. Let me quickly go through my this Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Oh yeah, I today I post my this crypto video. So I started to update again my crypto video because I see opportunity, no opportunity. I don't want to post. I don't want to give false hope to people. Okay, keep on posting just for just getting the view when their market is no hope, right? They want to post. So I saw hope, then I post. Okay, today. So also forex. Okay, don't forget, check out my forex. Forex also I posted today. And Ahmad, Zudi, Mark, review telco sector. Telco sector you start to rebound. Okay, I will take a look after tomorrow. Okay, Ahmad, tomorrow is our big picture day. Big picture day. Tomorrow, wait for the tomorrow. We are looking for all the sector. We are looking at all the sector and all the global index. So don't forget tomorrow. So this one, US posted high CPI numbers. Okay, yesterday not so good for US stock market. Okay, probably will affect local technology stocks. So watch out. So I reposted this yesterday. Okay, in the evening when I follow this US report. Okay, so don't forget, check out my crypto. Okay, crypto posting today and forex posting. Okay, so and for forex, for crypto, don't forget this one, Luno. You want to open account Luno, use my link. You can get 25 ringgit of free Bitcoin. Okay, use my link, you can get 25 ringgit of free Bitcoin. And for opening this forex account, you can check out the forex video. At the forex video there, at the description, we got the information. I got the information there. Okay, so let's check out technology drop. Okay, technology drop expected. Technology drop, so technology possible. Okay, you want to, if the price already goes near your break even point already, okay, maybe you want to offload some first, sell some so you can sleep properly, okay, because the US CPI number is quite high, so US definitely the inflation is high, then most likely the Fed will increase their interest rate very soon. Okay, this is a threat to the stock market. Okay, so possible the stock market will drop again as expected, and our technology stock is possible will drop again. Okay, finance up 0.06, property up 0.03, plantation continue the strongest 0.88, RED drop 0.32, energy drop 0.25, healthcare up 0.01. Telecommunication today got rebound. Ahmad, you're right. Today got rebound. Okay, tomorrow we look at it. Tomorrow big picture day. Transportation up 0.5. Utilities. Transportation drop 0.5. Utilities drop 0.45. Okay, so let's check out momentum stock. BJFOOD went up 30%. This one also nobody saw this. Okay, total goring. We take a look. PMBTECH continue to up. Maybe the next Genetech. So we managed to cut PMBTECH. Remember PMBTECH? We managed to catch. Nowadays we managed to catch a few high flying stock. Remember in the early of the year I said I want to change my strategy, right? I focus on what? Focus on the recovery stock. Okay, but we also set a lot of alarm in the market. We know that during this time there are a lot of flying stock. So we're going to capture a few flying stocks. So we managed to catch a few flying stock. Okay, so our strategy changed a bit to adapt to the market, right? KLK we talked already. Batu Kawan we talked already. This is plantation stock continue to go up. Yesterday we talked about it already. Bonia too high to chase. DKHS. Let me see. DKHS not the right time. Ta'an we talked already yesterday. Okay, all these continue to hold. All these plantation stock. Mr. DIY got volume, we take a look. ANCOM, we take a look. Padini, we take a look. Quite strong. SCGM very strong. Okay, SCGM, we take a look. SCGM. Southern Cable, right? SCGM. Southern Cable. All these SOP continue to hold. All these plantation stock. RSP also gone up, Petron gone up a bit, TM a bit, TM long term. Okay, so today we want to talk about PMBTECH. Take a quick look. MYEG, PMBTECH, I got a new target. That's why I want to talk about it. MYEG a bit rebound today. ANCOM, EPMB BJFOOD, Padini, Mr. DIY, SCGS, PMBTECH. Look at PMB first. Of course, have to look at PMB, right? Must be our darling, right? Our favorite stock now, right? PMB. Where's PMB? Metal. Okay, continue to fly. Okay, so I did a measurement here. I did a measurement here on the momentum measurement. I think this one can go to 20 for this wave. I think possible can go to 20 or 22. Okay, so continue to hold a few more days. I think 20 and 22, 23 is possible. Okay, so after 20 to 23, I think there will be a retracement. Then maybe can go up again. Fibonacci, not Fibonacci. Elliott wave possible. There is a 3 wave. I think possible what will happen to PMBTECH. Another Genetech. I think it will do like this. First wave, second wave, and a third wave. I think it will do like this, right? Okay, so we are waiting for the second wave to end. Then we take profit. Then we're going to goring again. We're going to chase again the third wave. See how it goes first. Okay, I think this one still can hold. Okay, unless we see a very big red candle, then we out. Okay, so after PMB, we got MYEG. MYEG today try to rebound, but not good enough. Happen to MYEG. Yeah. Okay. Trying to pick up, but not good enough. If you pick one time here, remember if you want to pick some, you can pick 1.01. After it goes to 1.1, you add again. ANCOM. ANCOM today got some Okay, ANCOM still going up, RSI not going up a lot. So ANCOM almost take profit already. I think you can take some profit first. Okay, if it drop, you take all. Okay, if it breaks through this trend line, right, maybe you take all. I think ANCOM almost to target already. So this one you pick some first. And leave some EPMB. A lot of you guys worry about EPMB, right? I say EPMB has a hidden divergence, right? So this one is quite strong, hidden divergence. So EPMB actually continue to go up. RSI still above 50, still okay so don't worry yet. Okay, still possible. I'm looking at EPMB. I'm looking at 1.4, 1.5. If you need to go through 1.2 first. EPMB still okay still okay Not easy to come by hidden divergence. Okay, Berjaya Food today fly like crazy. Nobody actually managed to see this one big gap up, goring cao. So this one too late to chase. This one I will never chase this kind of thing. Already fly 30%, 50%. I will never chase. Padini also, as I said, right, after Chinese New Year, all these consumer have to watch, right? Have to watch. A lot will start to move. Okay. So Padini, right? Let's say Padini, right? If it goes to 3 ringgit, I think can try 3 ringgit, see 3.21 and 3.4, 3.39, which is the bank target also. So these two target, if we can hold above 3.0, maybe can try. Padini coming back. Mr. DIY also coming back, as I said. Okay, you have to watch. Okay, Mr. DIY first entry at 3.6. Okay, now it going up again. Second entry 3.7. Okay, we can go through 3.78. Okay, maybe second entry look at 3.9 and Kenanga 4.1. Look at around 4 ringgit Look at 4 ringgit. SCGM. Today SCGM got Southern Cable now not very strong. Trying to do a reversal. Okay, trying to do a double head and shoulder reversal. Okay, this one maybe Southern Cable. RSI go through 50 can pick some here. Okay, can try some over here. Okay, then maybe another add over here. Stop loss will be below here. 2.0, 2.2 above, maybe can add some, can pick some, and 2.31 can add some. Okay, then look for 2.6 to 2.8. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. COVID now, today I think must be over 20,000. Okay, so see you again in the evening. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.